What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix eFootball problem. Server maintenance underway. Now your eFootball problem. Now your problem, server maintenance underway, not game. Okay, let's start it. Follow my all step. First your phone settings. Now click your phone settings. Scroll down now. Now click apps. Now click your eFootball. Now click your eFootball. Now click storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click delete. Now click permission. Now click all permission. Go back. Now click your Google Play Store app. Now search eFootball. Now click your eFootball. Update it. My eFootball already updated. Now click your phone restart. Now click your phone restart. And now you're open eFootball app. By doing your process, now your problem solved. And thanks for watching my video and subscribe now my channel.